Good morning, guys. My name is Jefferson Urbano, the course Intermediate English 2, task age final exam speaking examination. Uh, Present to Diana Sofia Grisales. My town is San Bernardo. My neighborhood is Santa Cruz. Um, I am going to present to you the most important thing about my neighborhood. I am going to start from the city hall because it is in my neighborhood, which is important because we can go the register or fill out missing information or for some government assistance. We can also find cell phones and food in my neighborhood. There are days we are thrown this restaurant and the food is good and visitors plans to buy their food. It is important that decide because we find in the center of my neighborhood. We even found a service station for different energies and it is a help for my neighborhood because it is makes it commercial. The bike shop is a part where I find myself when I am on my days off as I like mechanic and fix my bike to go to events. The beautiful things about my neighborhood is that the Virgin in a locate and every month they make the respect mass with the priest and we go the most of my neighborhood and different people. My sweet home, thanks to these people who have helped me to continue my studies, encourage me to continue the daily struggle. They are very friendly people with all people. I work with my mother in tomato farm. I transport him to the city of Paston on Monday and Tuesday. I am work and vegetable shop with my father. I like everything that has to do with business as I help my partner, my parent. I can. San Bernardo, a place to live forever. Thank you so much.